Oi, gente, tudo bom? Hoje aqui eu trouxe minha amiga, Lea. Ela é da França. Ela era au pair ano passado, sendo que ela voltou pra França e ela tá só visitando a gente agora. Eu fui pro Brasil recentemente e eu trouxe alguns snacks e eu vou botar ela pra experimentar agora, né? Alright. I brought some snacks from Brazil and now Lea, she's gonna try some. We're gonna start, let me see, with sweet things.
Okay.
Is that okay? This we call tortuguita. It's like a chocolate turtle. Alright,
Will you open
you do
it?
it.
Okay. How do you open it?
You like chocolate, right? So, oh, and there's a way to eat it. Let me teach you. It's like a rule in Brazil when we were
okay.
kids. Okay, first you start eating the head.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you eat the legs, the paws, and after you eat everything, how is it so far?
Good. Oh my god.
And after you eat everything, you can just bite the body. If you don't eat like this, you're a monster. It's a rule. Every kid knows this is how you have to eat it.
Let me try it.
You like it?
I do. Oh my god.
There you go. I'm
I'm not gonna eat it all, but it's very good.
Next one, it's bees. Also chocolate. It reminds me like kitty cat. For you. Okay. Anyone from this is dark chocolate. We have another one that is white. I like this one better.
Do you have a special way to eat it? Or?
No, you can just bite it. It's like waffles and chocolate.
Good. It's chocolate, so.
Let me open this one.
We got some things like that in France.
Alright, and this one.
So white chocolate now?
Yeah, now it's the white one.
Okay.
What do you think?
Good. I like the dark chocolate better.
Que doçura! This is guava and banana together. This is very common where I came from. I'm not sure if you're gonna like this one. There's a very particular taste. Go. How is it?
Not the best thing.
Yeah, you don't have to eat if you don't like it.
I mean,
Out of a 10.
7.
7.
Yeah.
Let's go to this one. Passatempo. Esse é o sem recheio, que eu não gosto com recheio. This one is just like cookies, like milk cookies.
That should be good.
Yeah.
I
This,
hope
yeah,
so.
this is my favorite one when I was a kid. Ah, can open. Nice. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Good.
Good. Do you have something like this in France?
Yeah.
Because I feel we don't have like too many options here in the United States. We just have Oreos for these
Yeah,
cookies.
we have Oreos like everywhere. So yeah, this is good.
Treloso. This is very famous in Brazil, at least where I came from, Pernambuco. This is a chocolate cookie. Like, I'm not a big fan of Oreo, so I like those
I
ones
am.
a lot.
Oh, this looks like Oreo.
Yeah, this is a chocolate one.
Oh.
Like it?
Yeah. Yeah, stuff like that in French.
Out of 10, how is the grade? 10?
Yeah.
Ooh. And then we have the strawberry one. But this is another brand, Goofies. Because I like this one better, this brand better. It's cheaper, but...
That's why you like it better.
I'm a cheap girl. Ready?
Well, yeah.
You don't like the smell?
I don't like strawberry stuff. So.
Okay. You don't like it?
I don't like this one.
Out of 10, what's the grade? 2?
4.
4. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, we have this one. Fini. It's like gummy bears. Fini.
It's already open.
Yes, because I was
Why?
eating. Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Alright. It's good, right? Yeah, this brand is very famous there. We have like a lot of different types of gummy bears, but this brand, it's really good. What's the grade for this one?
9.
9?
Mm-hmm.
Next one. Same brand, Fini, but it's bananas.
Okay.
Tastes like banana.
We have candies like that in France, but I don't know if it's gonna be the same because I don't like it. Just banana.
Yeah. Do you think it tastes really like banana?
Yeah. That.
I like it, but I don't feel like it tastes like actual like banana.
It's like
More
actually sweeter than banana.
Mhm.
Like, you know that's banana.
Mm-hmm. So out of 10, give this one
5.
5.
Because I don't like banana.
Oh. This is doce de leite.
Oh my god.
It's like something you make out of the cow milk. You're gonna like it. It comes like this.
How do you eat that?
Okay, it's liquid, so you're gonna bite just a little bit, and then it's gonna like come out. Look, yeah. You like it?
I know.
No, I like it a lot.
It's feel like it's liquid and
Yeah. Maybe you like this one, but you said you don't like it.
but I want to
Just
try.
making sure.
Yeah, no. I definitely don't.
No. Out of 10.
2.
2. Ooh, that was harsh. Okay, this one is kind of this one, but it's hard ones. This brand Camponesa, it's a good brand, and it's kind of the same stuff.
Looks like caramel.
Yeah. Okay. Looks like what?
Caramel.
Oh yeah, but it doesn't taste like caramel. All right. Cheers. It tastes better, right, than the liquid.
I like this one way.
This is more the real taste.
Man, this one's very good.
Yeah. All right, let's see what's next. Oh, now I have salty ones, just 2, because I don't have. Yeah. This one, Pingo de Ouro.
It's like 10 in the morning, Ayani.
The flavor is bacon.
Oh, I don't like that.
It's a really good snack when you're drinking beer or whatever. This is really good. Oh my
I could eat it all.
god.
Oh,
One of my favorites. Out of 10, this one.
10.
10. Woohoo! Can you read it?
No.
Pingo
Pingo.
de Ouro. De Ouro.
The arrow. No.
It's like a drop of gold. The last one. This is my favorite ever, Yoquitos. And the flavor is ham.
Ooh.
Let's see, I really like this one. This is my favorite one.
Let's try. Ooh. That's well.
Good.
Yeah.
We don't have the stuff here. We just have like cheese
good.
flavor. So, I think that's all. How do you like it?
Pretty good. I mean, I was expecting not good things about that.
See,
But
we have
it
good snacks in
surprised me.
Brazil.
It's pretty good.
Like in general,
You are.
like out of a 10, how great like would you give us for all the food, including like everything?
Well, I can tell about all the food because I
No, all of this.
all of this.
Now,
I don't know, 8.
8.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good grade. Okay, I think that's it, guys. See you next video.
Bye.
Bye.